Hi guys, Jenny here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Nutella brownies. I filmed this video a couple of weeks ago, but like many other videos of mine, it took some time to edit. So I don't want to keep you waiting for long. Let's get into the video. First off, we're gonna have to cream some room temperature butter until it's soft and fluffy. And then add in the brown sugar and just beat to combine. Now that's looking good. Add in 2 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and just continue beating. Now you can pour in the Nutella and again just continue whisking. It looks like an awful lot of Nutella, but then again, you don't want to be eating this every day. You have to share. And then of course, a little bit of salt just to balance everything out. Now once it looks like it's all incorporated, you can toss in your all-purpose flour and just beat to combine. You don't want to overbeat it just until you don't see any more flour. You can totally use a regular whisk. You don't really have to use an electric whisk to do this. And then I just want to finish it using a spatula just to make sure everything is well combined. And you can add in some chocolate chips because why not? You can totally skip this step though. Then just fold everything to combine. Now we'll have to transfer this batter in an 8x8 square inch tin lined with baking paper. You don't want to skip the baking paper because then you won't be able to take the brownies out. And then of course we have to make these brownies a little bit more sinful by dolloping a few more spoonful of Nutella, and then we're gonna ripple it using a spatula, or you can use a knife or a fork, and it's gonna look good on top. Now this wicked thing goes into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven to do its magic for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once it's done baking, give it an hour to cool down before slicing and sharing it with your family and friends. And that's it guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't really upload regularly yet, but I try to make time and upload and bake a lot, or as much as I can. And I am not a professional baker, just putting it out there, but I still hope you are enjoying the videos that I upload. Thanks for watching, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!